Before we jump into specific distros, let's talk about what makes a Linux distro truly secure. It's not just about the name or the popularity, it's about the underlying principles and practices that ensure your data remains safe. It's easy to get caught up in marketing jargon, but a discerning user knows to look deeper. Marketing can often paint a rosy picture, but the reality lies in the details. Here are key factors to consider when evaluating the security of a Linux distro. Frequent security updates are crucial. A secure distro will have a dedicated team providing timely updates and patches. Look for a strong emphasis on encryption. Encryption protects your data from unauthorized access. Finally, consider the community behind the distro. An active and engaged community is invaluable. By considering these factors, you can choose a Linux distro that truly prioritizes your security. Let's start with a distro designed for ultimate privacy. Tails, short for the Amnesic Incognito Live System. Tails is not your everyday operating system. It's designed to be run from a USB stick or DVD. Why is this important? Because Tails leaves no trace on your computer after you shut down. It's like entering a secure phone booth. Your online activity is anonymized and no records are kept. Tails routes all your internet traffic through the Tor network. Tor bounces your connection through multiple relays around the world, making it extremely difficult to track your location or online activity. If you're serious about online privacy, especially when dealing with sensitive information, Tails is your go-to solution. Whether you're a journalist, activist, or simply value your anonymity, Tails provides a robust shield against surveillance and tracking. Imagine a computer where your applications are isolated from each other like separate rooms in a house. That's the core concept behind Qubes OS. Qubes take security to the next level by compartmentalizing your digital life. With Qubes, you create separate virtual machines, or cubes, for different tasks. For example, you can have one cube for online banking, another for browsing the web, and another for work documents. Now, if one cube gets compromised, the damage is contained. The attacker can't access data or applications in other cubes. It's like having multiple layers of security, each protecting a different aspect of your digital life. Qubes OS is ideal for users who handle sensitive information or require the highest level of security. While it might seem complex at first, the security benefits are well worth the learning curve. Section 5, Kali Linux, the Penetration Tester's Toolkit. Let's switch gears to a distro designed for ethical hackers and security professionals, Kali Linux. Kali is preloaded with a vast arsenal of penetration testing tools. These tools are used to simulate attacks and identify vulnerabilities in computer systems. Think of Kali Linux as a digital lockpicking kit. It provides ethical hackers with the tools they need to assess the security of systems and networks. By simulating real-world attacks, they can identify weaknesses and recommend solutions to strengthen security. Kali Linux is not for the faint of heart. It's a powerful tool that should be used responsibly and ethically. If you're interested in cybersecurity and want to learn the art of penetration testing, Kali Linux is an excellent starting point. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use Kali Linux for good. Help make the digital world a safer place. Section 6, Parrot OS, more than just penetration testing. While Kali Linux might be the most well-known security-focused distro, Parrot OS is a rising star worth considering. Like Kali, it offers a comprehensive suite of penetration testing tools. However, Parrot OS goes beyond just penetration testing. It also includes tools for digital forensics, cryptography, and software development. This makes it a versatile platform for a wider range of security professionals. Parrot OS also boasts a more user-friendly interface than Kali, making it a good choice for both beginners and experienced users. Whether you're a security analyst, forensic investigator, or ethical hacker, Parrot OS provides a powerful and flexible platform to meet your needs. Section 7. Hardening your existing Linux system. What if you're happy with your current Linux distro but want to make it more secure? Excellent question. You don't need to switch distros to enhance your security. Here are some steps you can take. First, keep your system up to date. Regularly update your operating system and all installed software. Updates often include security patches that address newly discovered vulnerabilities. Next, enable a firewall. A firewall acts like a gatekeeper, controlling incoming and outgoing network traffic. It can help prevent unauthorized access to your system. Finally, use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Strong passwords are like having multiple locks on your door, making it much harder for attackers to gain entry. By taking these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your existing Linux system without switching distros. Section 8. Frequently asked questions, Linux security. Let's address some common questions about Linux security, a topic that often sparks curiosity and concern among users. While Linux is generally considered more secure than other operating systems, no system is 100% immune to malware. Security is a continuous process. The open-source nature of Linux and its strong security focus make it a less vulnerable target. Community-driven development ensures vulnerabilities are quickly patched. Some distros, like Kali Linux, are geared towards security professionals needing advanced tools for penetration testing and network security. There are user-friendly options available designed to be accessible and easy to use even for those who are not tech-savvy. Distros like Tails and Qubes OS offer intuitive interfaces with robust security features without compromising usability. You can create a live USB drive or DVD to boot into a distro directly from the removable media, perfect for testing and exploring different distros. This way you can test it out without making any changes to your computer's hard drive. It's a risk-free way to experience Linux. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing. Dive in, explore, and don't hesitate to make mistakes. The Linux community is always there to help you along the way. Section 9. Share your security journey, join the conversation. That's it for our deep dive into the world of secure Linux distros. We've explored some of the top contenders, from the anonymity-focused Tails to the penetration testing powerhouse Kali Linux. Remember, choosing the right distro is just the first step. It's important to stay informed about security best practices and to continuously update your knowledge and skills. Now it's your turn. Which secure Linux distro piques your interest? Have you tried any of these distros before? Share your thoughts, experiences, and any questions you might have in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going and learn from each other. Together we can make the digital world a safer place, one secure Linux distro at a time. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Byte Guardian for more cybersecurity and privacy tools, tips, and news.